Hey guys, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I am here with another plan with me, this time for the week of September 24th through 30th. It's crazy that this is already the last week of September, but here we are. This week I am using a free printable kit from A Planner World, and I just thought that it was so cute. So it's this 2-page kit. It comes with 8 full boxes, some half boxes, some checklist boxes, glitter headers, some to-do headers, some checklists, little things, habit trackers, weekend banner, and then this absolutely gorgeous bottom washi. This is probably the main reason that I chose this particular kit, is that I just absolutely loved this bottom washi and I couldn't resist using it. Anyway, so why don't we get started on planning? I think I'm going to start out with the glitter headers, the bottom washi, and the weekend banner. And so I'm going to just speed you guys through that, and then we'll come back and start dealing with the full boxes. So I decided to not put down the weekend banner yet. As you might notice, for some reason these are a little short, and also these guys are a little short. The only thing I think of is maybe something weird happened in the printing process. Not really totally sure what happened, but I think once everything is down, it's not really going to be noticeable anymore. I decided to not put down the weekend banner yet, just because I want to make sure that all of the full boxes turn out the way they're supposed to, and that the weekend banner doesn't get in the way of that. So this one I know I want up as my little quote box, so I think I'll just put that up first. It says Hello Fall. So you just have to line it up with the 5th one down, like after the 5th. So the line at the bottom of the 5th space down, to make it end up correct in the Recollections planner. I think that's so cute. So I think I want to do like middle. No, maybe I want to start in the bottom. Nope, I think I'm going to start middle, bottom, middle, top, middle, bottom, middle. So whichever one ends up here is going to be on the top. So I think I'm going to use my super favorite option. Also, it matches the washi. Alright, so that's also a little weird. So I feel like this is probably something weird that happened in the printing that made them all the wrong size. Or maybe they were designed wrong. I don't know, but probably my bad at printing, to be honest. Let me see if I can just get this up so that I can like center it a little bit better. Just put you down, come on. Come on. Yay! Alright, so I want to leave just like a little bit of a white gap. Alright, so that's like kind of ugly, but I feel like it doesn't look that bad. Alright, so these are my remaining boxes. So I have like 2 pumpkins, 2 leaves, and then 2 other things. So I'm going to try to like spread them out based on that. And then the leaves are at the bottom here, but this is also a leaf. So I feel like maybe I want the leaves on Monday and Sunday. So let me see. So these are the 2 that are like just leaves. So do I want them this way? Or I can put them this way. I feel like I like them this way. All right. So again, leaving just like a little bit of white space to make them fit because, you know, something happened. Next up is gonna go on the bottom. I think I might do these 2 that are like, I don't know, man-made objects, I guess. So there's this way, or there's this way. I think I like it this way better. Alright, again, I'm assuming that there needs to be a little gap. These are probably kind of crooked, but whatever, I'm over it. I think it's gonna look fine. Alright, and then the last 2 I have are these 2 pumpkins. So I think that I want to put them this direction because I don't want this pumpkin right next to the leaf on Monday. I know they're like not right next to each other, but they're the same color, so I just kind of want to divide it up a little bit. All right, let's see. Okay, so now I can put down the weekend banner. So it actually comes with 2 weekend banners. There's the leaves and then the pumpkins. I think I'm gonna use the pumpkins just because I think these blue pumpkins are so cute. Assuming this one comes up okay. Otherwise, I guess I have a backup. All right. So let's put down this weekend banner. I'm guessing this is also the wrong size. So I usually build the weekend banner by like centering the K anyway. So there we go. Looks perfect. All right, so we need to build the rest of the sidebar. So it comes with 3 habit trackers. I think I'm actually going to try to use all 3 this week. So this past week, as you can see, I've not been good at filling it out, but I've been doing exercise and self-care. So I think I'm going to do exercise and self-care still. And then I think I'm going to do like a little tidy one. I want to try to be better about keeping my house a little bit more tidy throughout the week rather than like this massive cleaning spree we go on every weekend. Actually, I think I want to use a glitter header for this. I think I'll use a blue glitter header. I was going to use it to do, but not feeling it. So I'm going to use this blue glitter header. Again, did not cut this kit well, so apparently this week is just all about being a disaster. Good thing the kit's beautiful, kind of makes up for my disastering ways. Alright, I'm just trying to like line it up with the box. There we go. Alright, and then I'm going to do orange and then blue and then pink just to kind of like separate out the colors as best I can. If I can pick this up. Who knew this was so difficult? Alright, so here's the orange one. Actually, I think I want to do pink next. Pink one. And then the blue one. Alright, and then underneath this, usually I put a to-do list as my main thing. I think that I am going to actually next put something just to look at how many jobs I apply for during the week. I'm currently in the process of applying for new jobs. I'm going to graduate this spring, hopefully. So I just need to find a job for next school year. My goal is to find a teaching professor position. So if you have any leads, let me know. Anyway, so I'm going to put down this other glitter header, and then I think I'm going to put like this greenish box. I haven't really used much of this color. I mean, it's probably like gold, but whatever it's called. All right, so there's that. And then I need something below this for the remainder. So I actually pulled out the kit that I'm using this week. I had a few extra items over here, and I actually pulled them because they go really well with this kit. So I think I might pull this extra peach ombre heart checkbox because this kit only comes with 7, and I'm gonna need 7 for the 7 days. So I think that this is a good alternative. So I'm gonna put this down next. It's like my to-dos. And then I have this little space at the bottom that I need to fill up with something. I think I'm gonna take this little pink half box, and then I'll put some sort of deco in there. When I go back and put down some deco, I'll pull out like a sticker book and see if I can find something to cover up these spots that are gonna drive me crazy otherwise. All right, so this is where we are so far. I'm liking it. I think it's looking pretty good. All right, so the other thing we need to put down are these check boxes on every day. So Saturday and Sunday, I already know what they're going. There's only one full box space left. The other days, I'm not exactly sure. I'm probably gonna put them like up at the top as much as possible. Not on Tuesday though, because otherwise it looks weird to have 2 in a row and then not, or 3 in a row here and then not, whatever. All right, so I need to figure out what I want to do with these. You can't really color block because that's just not how these are designed. So I think I'm going to try to explicitly not color block. So I guess I'll start out with this like peachy orange one for Monday. So there's that one. Tuesday, I guess I should do a pattern because there's 4 solids and 3 patterned. So I think I'm going to do these leaves. And then on Wednesday, I need to do a solid one again. I think I'll use this pink one. I was gonna say the blue, but I don't think I should use the blue with the blue pumpkins. It's like a lot of blue. All right. Thursday, I need to do a pattern again, so I think I'm gonna do these leaves. And I want the blue pumpkins right next to each other. I know they're on opposite sides of the spiral, but still. And then Friday, doing a solid again. I guess I'll use the yellow one here. Then the blue pumpkins are going to go on Saturday. I know that the weekend header is also blue pumpkins, but I think it's gonna be fine. It's like my favorite of the boxes anyway. And then the solid blue one goes down here. All right, so finally I'm gonna fill in what plans I already know. So there's not a lot that I already know about the week. So one thing, I do know that Monday is the Mid-Autumn Festival. So my husband is Chinese, so we celebrate Mid-Autumn Festival. So I'm just gonna fill in this for Mid-Autumn Festival. It's like a celebration, so I feel like that's gonna work out okay. And then also, there's gonna be a student meeting, I believe, which I think is going to be pretty important because somehow I think I've been put in charge of it. So I'm going to give myself a quarter box to write down that there is going to be a grad student meeting. All right, so for Tuesday, I have actually no idea what's going to happen on Tuesday right now, so I'm just going to leave it as is. Same thing with Wednesday, Thursday. So Friday, I'm probably going to need to do some laundry. Oh, I almost forgot. So Wednesday, I need to post my midweek. So there aren't any like Instagram or anything like that. I think I'm going to use one of these little hearts just to show that I'm going to post my midweek, and then I'm also going to film that day. So I'm going to put it like this, and I'm going to put one in here and then write the other one on the side. Friday, I think I'm going to edit my plan with me. I'll just put that in this checklist. I also think I'm going to do laundry, but I'm not totally certain, so I might just leave that blank. Saturday and Sunday, we haven't decided what our plans are. I do know that on Sunday, I need to post my full week. So I think that I will use one of these guys and just put it like this. And then I'll figure out what else we're doing then. All right, so just the last thing, I need to actually write everything in. So, sorry for all the noise. These are like the pens that I have from this order that I put in on AliExpress. And I think that I'm going to use this navy pen. There's like a little bit of navy in there, and I just really like it. So I'm going to use this navy 0.5 pen. It's like a Muji knockoff. So I'm going to speed you through writing everything down. And then I think that's going to be it for today. All right. To be where we are. I think I'm going to try to see if I can find something for a little meeting. Let me see if I can find anything in the leftovers. All right, so this is a leftover. I think it's from Pink Pixel Graphic, I want to say, but please don't like hold me to that. Anyway, so I am just pulling this out of my leftovers to put in the meeting. Every time we have a student meeting, we usually end up just, you know, bitching about something, excuse the language. So I'm just gonna put in like this little swear word thing because that's probably what we're gonna be doing. Anyway, so check out my Instagram at Creative Life of Liz to see what this week ends up looking like, as well as what the last week ends up looking like. Subscribe and like below, please. I would really appreciate it. My next plan with me is probably going to be our October monthly setup. Anyway, so it was so great to plan with you, and I'll see you next time. Bye!